Hey everyone, welcome to part 2 of my last video. In my last video I showed you how we have the new elevation motor and airsoft motor switches, new extra functions you can add depending on how you've set up your Asp. Now, those switches actually allow for 1 or 2 amps of current to go through them. So although you can run an LED, which we did in the previous video, you will need to put resistors in line on those LEDs. Something you don't have to do on any of the other LED ports on Asp, but if you are using the Airsoft and LE motor switches, you will need to put a current limiting LED in series there. Well, yeah, in series. So, but you wouldn't have to do that if you are switching relays. So you can have this to switch a relay, and you can switch as many LEDs as you want. You can switch motors, winches, whatever you want to switch. You can now switch via a relay. So this is just a cheap 2-channel relay setup you can buy from eBay. They're fairly cheap. I think this was less than $5. And the lucky thing is that they switch on and off according to the signal going to ground, which is perfect for this application. So again, with your radio set up, with your 6-position switch set up, or however you set up to trigger your LE and airsoft motor switches, let's do that. Let's fire up, and there you can see we've switched the relay on. Switch one of the relays on, we go to the next position, we can turn both relays on. So again, there we go, we can be driving high power devices through those relays now with simple switching through there. Turn that one off and turn the next one off. There we go. So that's probably one of the better ways to use these new switch functions, to switch a relay. Saves you having to buy anything expensive, and you can then, as I said, drive more motors, drive a winch, drive whatever you want, multiple lasers, all just through those relays. Thank you.